Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with QuickBooks Time, TSheets, review my usage experience. QuickBooks Time, TSheets, is a time tracking and project management software designed for businesses of all sizes. Its main purpose is to simplify the process of tracking employee hours, managing projects, and generating payroll reports. Key features include time clock functionality, GPS tracking, project costing, and reporting tools. Their website provides details on all their offerings and pricing plans. QuickBooks Time positions itself as a comprehensive and user-friendly solution for time management. They emphasize ease of use and streamlined workflows. Their website highlights pricing transparency, although specific costs vary depending on the plan and features selected. They also boast robust integration with other QuickBooks products. Availability is worldwide. You can check their website for specific details on regional offerings. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using QuickBooks Time. Getting started was surprisingly easy. The setup process was straightforward, and the onboarding tutorial was helpful. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I particularly appreciated the clear dashboard showing my team's time entries and project progress. I found it simple to input time entries, assign them to projects, and even use the GPS tracking feature to verify employee locations for certain field jobs. The performance was consistently reliable. I never experienced any significant slowdowns or glitches. I had a quick question about integrating it with our existing payroll system, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, providing a clear and helpful solution. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, and the reporting features saved me hours of manual data entry. One minor drawback was the initial learning curve for the advanced project budgeting tools. It took me a little while to get used to all the customization options. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with QuickBooks Time. It's streamlined our time tracking significantly, leading to more accurate payroll and improved project management. That's my overview of QuickBooks Time, TSheets, review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.